Good morning. We are out. We are here at CVMP. This is my third time at CVMP. I will be leading a hike through Brandywine Falls. We'll be doing a loop. I hope it's a beautiful breeze like this because it is so. You see the trees? You see the sun? I'm putting on my boots. My boots are made for walking. The first time I came out to Brandywine, I was in Lower Summit County, like Akron area. I think it was Akron area. I was in a whole nother area than where I am now. Doing the trail. The trail that I did was I think it was 5 or 6 mile loop through CVMP. Didn't even know there was a parking spot next to Brandywine, so very popular attraction. And so yeah, we are getting out. This is our first stop, CVMP. Go to blackgirlshike.net for tickets and more event information, because I ain't telling y'all all my business because I don't want to have to pull my pistol out on anybody. All right? See y'all soon. Sure. Peace.
What you mean? I don't go hiking. This is my first time.
It's your first hike? Mine too.
I thought you got
That's a walk to me.
Oh, okay.
Oh, no.
Dude.
We can do the whole. It was 3-6.
The moderate, it was 2-9. But it's like, when I told you it was steep hills, it's steep hills.
Like you was breathing hard?
I was breathing hard, then it was going up and it was like rugged trails.
But you made it through. Just fine.
But it's a steep hill going up. When you go up the hill, it's a steep hill going down. And then coming back up this way, it's a steeper hill. That's the rugged piece. That was like, I don't know. Because I was like dipping under trees and shit. I was like,
I'm
Lord.
game either way. I don't care. I'm sure we can.
I literally had to dip under. So what do you think? It's two. That's like 2.5 miles. That's like almost 3 miles.
That's cool. This is my first time doing this. Okay. So I'm just here for
Yeah. Y'all got it.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Look at those.
Wow. Major Black. Hey, Lil' Kim.
Lil' Kim. All right, be careful. You did have.
Bye, guys.
Our little cow.
It's so cute.
Enjoy the waterfall. Yeah.
How y'all feel? Great. Yes. We made it through the finale, through the falls.
I wonder if those are real, like.
Wow. And
It's gonna fly, so I'm gonna take it.
We are just so scared.